Hello guys, today I prepared garlic mushroom for Adesh. Try this mushroom.
Yeah.
I also want to try my mushroom.
Let me say, absolutely brilliant. You know that? The perfect proportion of
Okay,
spices.
take it. This is for you.
Thanks. Seriously, look at this, guys. You all like this, right? It's amazing. Well, you might not know it, but you have to try it because this is pretty good. I'm not joking. Mushrooms, if you have ever tried mushrooms, this is the best version of it.
Yeah, but one thing, but very easy to make. Less than 3 minutes to prepare a fantastic garlic mushroom.
Exactly. I agree with you.